today's video, I'll show you how to quickly hide a product from the shop page in WooCommerce. Whether you're working with out-of-stock items, seasonal products, or something you want to keep private for now, WooCommerce makes it easy to control what appears on your storefront. Let's get right into it. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard and head over to Products. On the left-hand side, click All Products, and you'll see the full list of items currently in your store. Find the product you want to hide and click Edit to open its settings. Once you're on the product editing page, look to the right sidebar for the section labeled Status and Visibility or Publish depending on your setup. In this panel, locate Catalog Visibility and click Edit next to it. A few visibility options will appear. To hide the product from your shop page completely, select Hidden. This removes the product from both the shop page and your site's search results, but keeps it intact in your dashboard so you can bring it back anytime. After selecting Hidden, simply click Update to save your changes. That's it. The product is now hidden from the public view, but still available for you to manage behind the scenes. This is a quick and effective way to control what your customers see without deleting anything. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more easy WooCommerce tutorials.